Hey, hey, hey. Hey, hey, hey. What we're gonna do in this video here, man, we're gonna install a key fob. Let me grab it. We're gonna take this here. We're gonna put it in place of the key and go with that, turns the car off wrong. You got a key fob. You stay within 3 feet of it. The car will work. Take my screws out of here. This is a 14 and up. You can tell by the new dash. When I say new dash, I mean I got this little pocket right here. Pretty simple process, man. I think if you're watching my channel, man, you can do it. No questions asked. That's what we're gonna do. Take the key switch out. Breaking it loose, I can turn the nut. If you have a pair of pliers, you put pliers on it. Be careful, don't scratch the base of it. I'm gonna save my lock washer and I'm gonna save my spacer here. So I'm gonna go ahead and lay this up like this. Make sure you hold your little spotter thing here, where you can get all your bolts in, all don't hit the metal. Make sure it's straight. I'll hook back up everything. This here, where's that? All right, here you go. Just go to your button. Antenna, which is this right here. Take it, undo the zip tie here. I'm gonna stick it in the dash there. Take your rag, wipe it off. So what that is, that's for your key fob signal. So it allows it to activate the switch and work. Take it, stick it in there on the frame. And you got your, what's this here? Battery negative, auxiliary in, and auxiliary out. Now what that means is your key switch. When you key switch, green and blue is your key switch. You plug one into one, auxiliary in, and the other one to auxiliary out. Doesn't matter how you plug them in, all you're doing is making a break in one wire. Give me a light switch. All right, so I'm gonna get my ground in here off of my ground going for my fuel gauge. Tie this into my ground coming from my fuel gauge. So what I'm gonna do is cut this here. It plugs in here. All right, let's try it and see. My key fob here. It lights up, hit the gas, nothing happens. Hit the button, hit the gas, yep, turn blue, that means it runs. There you go. Hey, hey, hey.